Meet Jim. Like most people, he's worried about his money. But it's more than that. It's about providing for his family and making sure they have money for the rest of their lives. You see, Jim's an average guy, makes good money, and tries to live within his means. But here's what Jim is up against. He's got debt. Nothing outrageous, but he's definitely trying to get rid of it. Recent tax changes have already reduced his take-home pay. His investments are unpredictable, yo-yoing up and down, but never really getting ahead. And if that's not enough, he can't touch his investments until he's almost 60, and his daughter goes to school next year, which means he's going to have to borrow more money. Jim is basically on a treadmill. His goals are to be further ahead than he is now, but he just can't seem to get there. Jim's situation is hardly unique. It describes hundreds and thousands of people all across the country. Let me introduce you to the infinite banking concept, a great way to get off the treadmill. It's rather simple, actually. Stop paying banks and lenders. Take every dollar you have and make it tax-free. Stop paying greedy old Uncle Sam. Start really growing your money. Not that risky investment stuff, it's too unpredictable, but guaranteed growth you can count on. Then, once you've established a strong foundation, you can leverage the infinite banking concept to actually make real investment opportunities even more profitable. And most importantly, do whatever you want with your money. Stop qualifying for it, and stop locking it up. Get in control. And the best way to do it all? Life insurance. Now, we're not talking about your typical life insurance policy. We're talking about high cash value life insurance designed with you in mind. It's likely one of the least understood financial tools we have. Here's what you might not know. It's tax-free. It grows tax-free, you can use it tax-free, and you can pass it on to your family tax-free. It has solid growth. A recent insurance study showed growth from 4.5% to 6.5% over a 28-year period. It's flexible. You can put as much or as little in as you want. You don't have to worry about the government telling you what to do. It's yours. You can use it for whatever you want, whenever you want. It's safe. The first policy written was in the late 1760s, and here at BecomingYourOwnBank.com, we don't recommend any companies that haven't been around for at least 100 years. Each of these companies has been profitable every year for the last century, including during the Great Depression. It's accessible. One of the most important aspects of this whole concept is to use your money when you want to and how you want to. And unlike a traditional loan where you have to basically prove you can pay it back by doing a credit check, income verification, etc., a life insurance policy has no restrictions. It's as simple as telling the insurance company how much you'd like to borrow. Pretty cool, huh? You see, getting off the treadmill is easier than you might think. Do you know much about flying? Planes will often face strong headwinds that can dramatically reduce the actual speed the plane is flying. For example, 100-mile-per-hour headwinds can reduce a plane flying at 300 miles per hour to travel at closer to 200 miles per hour. The reverse effect can happen with tailwinds, causing the plane to travel closer to 400 miles per hour. That's twice as fast. The same principle applies to money. Jim is fighting against huge financial headwinds. Money is just not flowing correctly. A couple simple tweaks, and he can use those wins in his favor. By becoming the bank and financing his own debt, he can guarantee himself the returns he's already paying someone else, eliminate the risk of his investments, and do it all while saving on taxes. You see, it's not that complicated. Control the flow of money so you can put more of it in your pocket. Now, you can spend countless hours trying to find enough information to make a decision, or you can simply sign up for our toolkit below. We've put together the best information we could find to help you figure out if this concept is a good fit for you. You'll find books, videos, podcasts, and even a few case studies to help you in your research. Oh, and by the way, it's all free. Or you can just skip all that and give us a call. Good luck!